So we got this 70 my dash cam A510 set. Now this is awesome. We unboxed this and I had a lot of fun unboxing and testing this thing out. Now what is cool, while we were unboxing, I loved how everything was very nicely and neatly packaged. I really do like that. And did I forget to mention that 70 my even had a nice 64GB SD card already in the package as well, so you can go ahead and get started straight out the box and go ahead and get using your dash cam. The 70 my dash cam A510 is a comprehensive and feature-rich dash cam package that includes both front and rear cameras. Easy to install discreetly on your windshield. Now the build on this A510 feels nice and robust, so it does feel of great high quality, which I did thoroughly enjoy. And this dash cam also includes a 2-inch IPS screen providing clear visuals and a user-friendly interface for easy navigation. Now the video quality on this dash cam was awesome. The front cam records at 1944P and the rear camera records at 1080p. This dash cam is also equipped with STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor. The A510 offers exceptional low light performance, ensuring clear and detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The high dynamic range HDR feature further enhances the video quality by balancing exposure in both bright and dark areas. And another cool thing about this dash cam is that it also has built-in GPS. That way you can track your nice journey, whether you're going anywhere traveling. It is nice to have that also. Also with this dash cam, the 70 my dash cam, it has an app called 70 my, and this helps enhance the user experience by providing remote control over the dash cam, and it can easily adjust your settings, view live footage, download and record videos directly to your phone, which is a great plus. This dash cam also has integrated G sensor, automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions, triggering the camera to save the current recording and protect it from being overridden. This dash cam also has 24-hour surveillance, which is great. Talk about some of the pros and cons of this nice 70 my A510 dash cam set. Pros for this dash cam is excellent video quality with 1944p front and 1080p rear recording. It is superior low light performance with STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor. It also has a built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for added functionality. And it also has a great app which is user-friendly. And it has comprehensive security features like the G sensor and 24-hour parking monitor. Cons that I had with this camera is that the 24-hour surveillance requires a hardwired kit, which is sold separately. Other than that, there's not too much of a big gripe. You get a lot of nice things out of the box, and this camera is definitely very reliable. In conclusion, the 70 my dash cam A510 is a high-performing and future-packed dash cam providing great value for the money. I definitely would recommend this dash cam.